Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I want to show you how to write an affiliate marketing email that not only gets opened, but also gets clicked. So if you're looking forward to this video, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to the channel because I'm uploading videos pretty frequently teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Now, this video that you're about to see was taken directly from one of my programs where I'm writing out an email inside of a case study, so you guys are able to kind of see the psychology behind the email, why I put the subject line the way that I put it, why I write the body out the way that I write it out, and what kind of tools that I use to effectively write a great email that gets open and gets clicked. So let's go ahead and let's jump into the computer and let's show you this. All right, in this video, we're gonna be sending out another email. And as you can see, if we check in on Aaron's leads, he's got 47 active leads right now. Now, the goal is to email as frequently as we can. Of course, we don't wanna completely spam people, right? We wanna make sure every time we email, we're emailing value, but we wanna be emailing frequently. So whether that be 3, 5, 7 times a week is perfectly fine as long as you're giving out value. The more you email, I've noticed, the more income is going to come into your bank account. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up over here to communications, broadcasts, like we've done before. We're going to select the plus sign to add a broadcast. And then we're going to name it HTA review. And then we're going to do HTA broadcasts. We're going to create, and then we're going to send by email, and then it's going to be Aaron Elder, and it's going to be support at sixfigurepartner.com, support at sixfigurepartner.com. We're going to be creating another video here pretty soon showing you guys how to follow up with your prospects through email, because they will be replying to a lot of your emails. We're going to click on save. Then we're going to save and next once again, and then we're going to select subscribe to list. Select the list. It's going to be HTA Secrets affiliate leads. We're going to add that, and then save and next once again, and then single email. And then Aaron went ahead and actually pre-created an email. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste it right here. And again, whenever you have like a video you're sending people to, the email itself doesn't need to be that long because the email itself isn't the value proposition, right? The value proposition is the actual video. So wherever the value is, in this case, it's a video. We want the video to be the actual piece of content that we're delivering to people. So the email isn't the actual value piece. So the email itself doesn't need to be that long. If the email itself was the value piece, then the email can be as long as it needs to be, as long as it's engaging. So if you prefer maybe the written word instead of jumping on video all the time, of course, you want to develop that skill set to be on video, but you find yourself better with the written word, then you can go ahead and you can write out exactly what it is that you would say on video and just put that in email form, and then have your call to action, telling people to sign up, whether it be for the $7 tripwire or another product that we offer. You can put that in the email itself instead of in the YouTube description. So this says, hey, Aaron here. I'm actually going to edit this a little bit. And really what you want to do is you want to write like you talk. This is contrary to what you learned in English class. We were taught that we needed to make sure our grammar, punctuation, sentence structure was correct. But we really want to talk like we're talking to a friend of ours. So what would you say? How would you say it? So this says, hey, Aaron here, just came out with a brand new video on my YouTube channel, and I'd hate for you to miss out on it. Okay. We want to find out a way we can actually say more with less. And there's actually an application that we can use. I'm going to pull this up. It's called the Hemingway app. You can type that into Google. It's hemingwayapp.com. I'll put that in the resources section below. But this is really cool. As you can see, it highlights what you need to change. So it says the app highlights lengthy, complex sentences and common errors. If you see a yellow sentence, shorten or split it. And that's kind of what we're doing right here. So hey, Aaron here, just came out with a brand new video on my YouTube channel, and I hate for you to miss out on it. I probably should have just copied this before I edited it, which is what we'll actually do. I'm just going to pull this entire original email. And we'll go back to the Hemingway app, and we're going to go ahead and delete all this, and then we're going to paste. So what we'll do as well, I'm going to, okay, it actually says it's pretty good. It doesn't mean that we can't make, minor changes. It says Aaron here. I like the idea of just putting hey in front of that. Hey, Aaron here. Just came out with a brand new video on my YouTube channel, and I'd hate for you to miss out on it. Let's see if they think that's okay. And you want to break sentences up like into paragraphs because it's easier to read. If you bunched all this text together into one single paragraph, it's not as easy on the eye. So you want to break things up. So I'd hate for you to miss out on it. Go ahead and take a peek at what I'm working on. Period. Let's see. Actually, I kind of like this. Go ahead and take a peek at what I'm working on as I take you from 0 to 10K a month in my online business. Perfect. What are you waiting for? Check out my recent review on the new, or we'll just put on the HTA system. I got started a short while ago, and I'm already bringing in sales. Let's see, and then we're going to just delete. We don't need this on the end. Cool. So, hey, Aaron here. Just came out with a brand new video on my YouTube channel, and I'd hate for you to miss out on it. We want to tell a little bit more about what the video is about, right? To get people to click. It's all about a new system I've been testing out over the course of the past couple of weeks or so. Go ahead and take a peek at my review on this new system. So you can see we're kind of changing it up a little bit because we want to make sure that everything is congruent. We want to give people a little insight as to what the video is about. Even though the original kind of framework was pretty good, we want to kind of get people salivating and get them to click. If we just said, I just came out with a new video on my YouTube channel, you want to check it out, click here. It's kind of like, okay, well, why do I want to check it out? And so you kind of need to give people a little bit more to get them to bite, right? It's as if it's like you're putting a better bait on a fishing line. And that's kind of what we're doing right here. So I'm going to read this one more time. Just came out with a brand new video on my YouTube channel and hate for you to miss out on it. It's all about a new system I've been testing over the course of the past couple weeks or so. Go ahead and take a peek at it over on my YouTube channel. I give you a quick review and show you how you can get started too. Okay, just came out with a brand new video on my YouTube channel. I'd hate for you to miss out on it. It's all about a new system I've been testing over the course of the past couple weeks or so. The cool thing is I'm already getting results. Go ahead and take a peek at it over on my YouTube channel. I'll give you a quick review and show you how you can get started too. Perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this. I'm actually first going to check out and see what this says. Be bold, don't hedge. Let's just put I. Perfect. Cool. So I'm going to copy this whole thing and we're going to jump back over here. We're going to paste it and then we're going to copy this and hyperlink it, right? So we're going to highlight that text. Did that a little quick. Highlight the text, click right here on the anchor, paste, and then click OK. I'm just going to open up a new window and make sure that this link works. Goes to the YouTube video.
Hey guys, what's going on?
And you can see here. And then, of course, in the description, it's got his affiliate tracking link. Once again, to the high ticket affiliate secrets. Okay. So we're just going to jump back over here. Everything works okay. And we just need to add a subject up here. So let's see, let's put, maybe this is crazy. And then open up. What's great is like, this is crazy. People are going to look at that subject line in their email inbox and be like, wait, what's crazy? And then open up is just the psychology behind that is we're telling people exactly what to do. And a lot of times that's what you have to do is tell people what to do next. So when it's in your videos, tell them to click the link in the description. When it's in emails, tell them to open up. Of course, you don't want to do it all the time, but you know, this is something that works extremely well when it, you know, to increase open rates when it comes to, you know, getting people to open up. And then we've got the video at the bottom here. And the reason why sometimes I'll put it at the bottom is to get people to read everything at the top. Okay. Because you're going to get more of a qualified prospect as well. So let me just add one more thing to your success, Aaron. And of course, you're going to be able to model this swipe below as well. So at this point, you should have been able to create your review video, and you can link your video to this swipe right here. And of course, it'll include it in the text document below. So that's pretty much it. Then we're going to click Save and Next, and then Save and Next, and then Send Now, and then Save and Next. And then, are you sure you want to send this broadcast? We're going to click Yes. And depending on the market, kind of determines when you should send your emails out. Typically, for me, I've noticed weekends and weeknights are the best for this market. So you guys can send your emails out between, it depends on whether most of your customers in the UK or the US, obviously the time difference is different, but whatever the evening time is for your prospects, that's when you should send out emails, and more people open emails on weekends as well. Okay. So weeknights and anytime during the weekends works really, really well. So this is being sent out. Again, when you created your review video in one of the previous videos, you want to make sure that you set up a tracking link through Kartra, which of course, if we go to My Affiliate Promos, right, and we set up a tracking link through this link right here, and we've shown you how to, how to add a tracking link before. So you can see if we go right here, we go to cells, we've gotten one HTA system cell out of this, which is pretty cool. So a video has actually generated a cell for us, which is pretty cool to know. So I hope you got value from this video. Once again, if you did, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, tick that bell icon. And if you want to learn how to build an online business, specifically an affiliate marketing business from complete scratch in great detail, then check out my top recommended system below, and we'll see you in the next video.